Today we are going to learn how to make this gradient effect in Figma in just 2 steps. Add a circle and add the following width and height to it. Now set the fill color to angular and use these settings. Make a component and add variants to it. Now select the circle in each variant and rotate it accordingly to make a complete loop. After this, switch to prototype settings and use these settings. After your settings are complete, now take the circle and add your frame and simply paste the circle in the background and you are good to go.